How to deactivate a Facebook account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to deactivate your Facebook account in mobile, just open Facebook app and click on three horizontal lines on top right corner. After that, click on settings and privacy and click on settings and click on account center. After that, you have to click on personal details and here you can see account ownership and control. Click on it and here you will see deactivation or deletion. Click on it and click on your profile and here you will see two different options. If you want to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily, just click on first option and click on continue. And here it will ask you the password of your Facebook account. And here you have to select the reason for deletion your account. You can select any reason. And click on continue. And after that you have to click on continue again. And click on deactivate my account. After clicking this option, your Facebook account would be deactivated successfully. So guys, in this way you can deactivate your Facebook account very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.